Saan ka? 2 players, sige. Go na! Okay, sure. Hello, Ako si... Kasama ko po ang ate ko. Uy, nagbukas na yung mumu.
Me and your mother will be leaving now. Remember what we told you. Don't open the door for any strangers. Keep the noise down, keep the curtains closed, and make sure you do those chores.
Do those toes. So weird.